What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another e-commerce website review. Today we have a very exciting one. We are reviewing Ariana Grande's new beauty brand, r.e.m Beauty. Now, if you're in the e-commerce space, you've probably noticed recently that a lot of brands and a lot of celebrities are coming out with new beauty brands. So I would say that this space is probably more competitive than it's ever been. And you have celebrities like Rihanna and Selena Gomez who have come out with really successful beauty brands. Rihanna has Fenty, which is extremely popular, definitely a billion-dollar brand. And then Selena Gomez recently launched r.e.m Beauty, I think last year, and it's done super well. So there's stiff competition. With that said, this review is not a reflection of Ariana Grande at all. I love her music. I think she's awesome. This is more so just a review of the website itself, and we're also going to dive into the mobile view as well. So first things first, when you land on the landing page, I think this photo of hers is just absolutely stunning. If you're shopping for any kind of makeup or beauty products, I immediately notice how beautiful this image is. So props to them for finding something that's just really stunning. I would like to see this moved up a little bit more because there's all this space here. So like have that right here, the headline and the button. But it looks like they're communicating that you can mix and match and really explore your creativity. So that's cool. I would be curious to see if that really resonates with Ariana's fans or with people that are interested in buying beauty products. But then she has her little explore button here, which I'm sure is to go and shop. So let's keep going through. So it looks like right off the bat, she is leading with, I love how I say she as if she doesn't have a team behind her. Looks like r.e.m Beauty is leading with showing off products right away. So if I hover, it just bounces a little bit, and she's leading with a eyeshadow palette, a matte lipstick, and an eyeliner. And the prices seem pretty reasonable. I like how easy it is to see this eyeshadow palette. Lipstick's a little bit hard to see. It might be easier with this off. But if you're in the beauty space or you use any type of makeup, you probably know that this type of like felt tip point is really popular with makeup. So that's cool to see that it shows that off without the cap. And it looks like she's just going straight into product showcase. And all of her products look really pretty. The packaging looks very modern. So I would say the brand that they're trying to build is like this modern, future forward, especially with her astronaut photo. It's very future facing, and the packaging definitely reflects that. Now, there's not a lot about the brand. I would like to see like a little bit more here about like, why did she start the brand? What does r.e.m Beauty offer me that maybe I didn't know that I needed, right? Especially because the competition is so stiff. I would have liked to see maybe a little bit more details on this page about some background about the brand, and then also what makes this brand really special. Obviously, Ariana is a special person. She is creating this brand and she has a lot of followers, which is great. But as a consumer, how do I benefit from purchasing this brand versus going to purchase a Fenty product or a r.e.m Beauty product or something else that's really popular in this space right now? So let's click into a product page and see what the product page looks like. It looks like they're sold out of a lot because I know that this just launched. So let's see here. Looks like she's got some photos on the left-hand side, and then you can choose from, this looks like it's a clear plumping gloss, so there's no other shades. Let's see here, description. So that's nice, some little background research. Independent study of 33 consumers, not super large sample size, but that's nice background to have. Benefits. Those are nice little check marks. I like that. Consciously made. See, these are kinds of things that I would like to see on the homepage. Like, it's good to know that they're vegan. You might not even have anyone that gets this place that clicks that drop down, right? So to just have some of these show up on the homepage that more directly points out why shopping this brand is important and why you might like this brand. I think having the benefits on the homepage would be awesome. Cruelty free. Like, these are all really good things. Non-sticky. I hate sticky lip glosses. So that's great. I think it's really cute that they have tips and tricks. So just different ways that you can use this gloss, which is cute. And then ingredients, which is always nice to see. And then made in the USA. So ultra transparent, which I love. I also like the sticky at the top that allows you to add to cart. Obviously this product's sold out right now, but that's always a nice touch as well to have that following you as you go through the page. So yeah, so that's nice. I did notice as I was scrolling down here, for anyone that loves makeup, which is cool, but like, I'd like to see this brought up a little bit more and just have that more as part of the experience, website experience. Let's go to we've seen the product page. Let's go to the about page. Maybe we'll go to a collections page too. Okay, so brand promise, talking about empowering you with the tools you need to bring your most vivid, limitless creative dreams to life. So that's cool. A little quote about the vision, but there's not a lot of meat on this website. I think especially from an SEO perspective, I would like to see more here. This is just really light compared to other websites that I review. This is pretty cool. Let's see if we can do shop by, and then let's click lips. So let's go look at a collections page. It looks nice. It's nice to see a photo of a model here. There's just not a lot. There's not a lot to look at. The description page is nice. I would just like to see, like, that's really cool. I love to see the product on someone. Once again, this feedback is not a reflection of Ariana Grande. It's more so looking at the e-commerce website as a whole and just seeing where there could be gaps, opportunities, also providing you guys with inspiration that you can use to build out your own e-commerce website. But I do like these model photos. I do like seeing this really crisp imagery of what the color looks like. So all of that's really nice. It looks like they have some shades that are available, which is awesome. So yeah, I love this inclusivity. That's great. Always nice to see. I know that this website just launched, so I know that this is V1, but all of these photos look really, really nice, like additional fodder for you to see, okay, here's how it looks on different skin tones. Here's how it looks on a white background, like all of that. Beauty lovers want to see that before they make a purchase. So that looks really cool. Let's just go poke around and see what they're using. So it looks like they are probably on Shopify, which I would think that they are as well. And let's see here. They're using Klaviyo for their email. And they've got all their pixels installed. Yeah, so nothing too crazy. Looks like they're probably on Shopify and they're using Klaviyo as their email provider. So that's awesome. It looks pretty good. Now, if we were to go over to this page in Mobile Moxie, which is kind of like a mobile mock-up. Let's see. I actually think this mobile mock-up, just this like above the fold experience, looks really good. I like that they still have the image, but then I love that this is like above the top. So there's a clear call to action, or not, it's not a super clear call to action to be honest, but there's a button here. And then as I scroll, it's the same type of shopping experience that we had on the homepage with the products. Once again, you guys know how I feel about just having more background info on the homepage, but overall this mobile experience looks pretty good. You can swipe over to see the photos here, and yeah, looks pretty straightforward to me. Overall, I'd say that this website is well done. It definitely looks pulled together, nice. I would like to see a little bit stronger language and then just also more background info. I think the benefits that they list on their product page are great and should be brought to the homepage so that when someone's landing on the homepage, it's really clear what their positioning is in the marketplace and how consumers can start to think of r.e.m beauty. Because right now, when you think about Fenty, the first thing that I think about is inclusivity, wide shade range, all of these things outside of who Rihanna is known for, who is the owner of Fenty Beauty. Same with r.e.m Beauty. I think their packaging is something that's really memorable that helps them stand out. But then also too, they have skin products that are really long lasting, also nourishing for your skin. So there are other benefits that we can pull from that are not just straight benefits about who started the brand. And I think I would love to see that come out a little bit more on this homepage. I can't wait to try some of these products out. I'm sure they're amazing. And the packaging looks really good, but it's really great that they're cruelty free. They're made in the USA. Like I would pull all of those details onto the homepage and create little sections that speak to those a little bit more. Cause I think those are powerful selling points for consumers, especially when consumers are kind of like not always paying attention completely and they're just scrolling through really quickly. So that is my review on their website. I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments. So go ahead, drop me your feedback and let's discuss. Do you think this website's well done? What do you think could be improved upon? Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.